needs to fly you out of China so that you go and receive your medication. Are you not happy?
I'm happy.
Yes. Once you go to China, doctor will treat you, and then you will get yourself. You start following your other siblings to go to school. You will not be at home. Yeah?
Okay.
I was one that talked to your daddy. I told him to carry this boy to China. So you receive.
Thank you.
You are welcome, okay? Just be here. Let me go and bring something. Your favorite food, I'm coming.
Yes. My mother added some stuff into this thing. Please, what are we going to do? Just drink small and pretend to be sleeping. Let's know what our plan is. Then just go. Just do fast. Don't think I
Okay, let's go. Drink up. Are you enjoying it?
Yes.
Make sure you finish it though. Open your mouth, drink. Yes. Useless child.
Let us chest.
Chest to what? Am I your mate? I don't know. Do you want to take a mate? Because I decided to give you juice today. You want to chest as a what? Your fellow children now. I'm not playing with you. If I slap you, go on to finish this thing and get out of my sight. Rubbish. I should chest. If I want you to chest, I will chest with me. See your teeth. I will use your face and clean this thing. Stupid boy. Hey, go. Drink. Stop feeling you. Exactly. That is the point. The stomach should pain you. And what are you alive for? Every day you be sick, but other will be wasting money on your health. Come on, go and join your useless mother where she is. If you call me mommy again, I will twist your brain. Stop. Which hospital? Did your mother that is in the which stomach? Did your mother build hospital when she left and joined her miserable ancestors? Did your mother build hospital for you? You will stay here and lose your life. Stupid boy. Finally. One shot. Now that this miserable boy has gone out of the way, the next plan is for me to take those useless girls' life. Once they come back from school, I will eliminate those stupid girls and all my husband's property, everything, his attention and all will belong to only me. I need to cover my track. What should I do now? Yeah, let's go. You know he has been very sick.
Boy.
I think he's gone now. Okay, let's put it on me alive. I told you this is this. Take this boy to hospital. You said no, he's a minor sickness. My son.
What?
Mommy is here. Oh, mommy is here. My son.
Take
this boy to hospital. You said no. You said he should get sickness. That he will be fine. Look out! My son. Mommy, you will not leave your mother.
Hey, Kenechukwu, wake up. Dad is here. Kenechukwu. Daddy. Kenechukwu, Dad is here. Kenechukwu.
Calm down, man. You know this thing you are doing. Let them make this boy.
Jesus.
My son.
Kenechukwu is not breathing. Favor. I don't know what happened to your brother.
Kenechukwu is still alive.
God forbid. Kenechukwu will never be alive. Kenechukwu is gone. Kenechukwu be alive. Shut up your mouth! Are you a doctor? How do you know that Kenechukwu is
I
sleeping?
know that.
But see, let's marry this boy this Friday.
We need to wake up.
Wake up, we. Hey! Spirit! He's not a spirit! He's a spirit!
Babe, he's alive.
He's alive.
He's alive. Kenechukwu. Jesus. Favor. What? What has happened? What did you do? How did you do it? Babe. Kenechukwu is alive. Kenechukwu is alive. Calm Sorry. You know you were screaming on top of your voice.
Babe, this one is not screaming, no, this one is
Are you okay?
my stomach.
Your stomach did what?
I don't know what I did.
Okay.
That's confessing.
Huh?
Start confessing.
What do
Is
you
this
mean
girl is a
start
witch?
confessing?
I told you not to be using phone, eh?
Babe, calm down. You're not
That
feeling
is
fine.
what?
Take me to hospital. What is what? Baby, take me to hospital. Let me
I'm not looking at anything.
look at what?
Eunice.
Tell me.
Eunice. What you doing?
This is an AI. Oh, these guys are watching the cartoons. You see, they want to rape.
Slow down, boss. You know what? We're coming back.
You shut up,
I
Kevin.
saw her when she was adding substance. It took a little.
Me.
Hold your mouth.
Yes, I saw her. I saw when she was adding substance. It took a little. So guess what? I told you she let us. We should switch it. We switch it.
Your hand is even smelling. And your place in my mouth. What kind of husband is this? Take me to hospital. I'm going to take my life before I will go. What kind of nonsense is this one?
Eunice.
This one. Hi.
Were you trying to take the life of my son?
How will I take his life now? Tell me.
Come out! Are you mad? This is not the evidence in front of you.
I said this is the SpongeBob. It's not an evidence. It's not. It's not.
Are you joking with me?
Oh! The thing is that
Okay.
you know the school is very sick.
Okay.
As a good mother and a father.
Okay.
The father figure in his life is
Okay.
him. So the okay was inside the rabbit. Okay.
What rubbish are you following?
Let me be. See this. I did the drink.
Eunice, if my daughters were not smart enough to play
Problem. Why are they smart? Why is this miserable children I gave birth to smart? Why would they are smart than elderly person like me? If not for any other reason, I'm going to 50 years and them they are just 8 years and they're smarter. Why don't
Hey! Eunice, you know that you are a witch. Yeah? But I blame myself. If I had listened to the advice of my friends to study your character before marrying you, but I was moved by the waist, the skin tone, the body size. But no problem. Favor, you and your siblings should line up behind the chair.
Which shit? See,
Move
this
behind,
people,
move
people
behind.
are waiting out.
Eunice, use that door. Before the count of 5.
Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. This is
One.
my husband's house. Hey,
2.
stomach cold. Babe,
Three.
I cannot stand up. Oh, me, I cannot stand up.
4. Eunice, out. Get out. Out. Get out. Witches and wizard. What just happened here? Favor.
Me, I'm tired though.
What would I have done? That's my daughter. I raised you well. Come here. You've done well, okay? Well, you guys should go inside. Let me dispose all this rubbish. Thank God. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to follow the page, like this video, give us a comment and share this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Love you guys.